Welcome to 1209 Cassiopeia. This amazing 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath is just under 3,600 square feet with a swimming pool. This incredible home just went under a huge renovation. Let's go through and check it out. This is an incredible, great room, the heart of the home. We really brightened up this room by repainting all the walls, adding in some new light fixtures, and really just changing up the whole look and feel. In the kitchen, we kept the countertops, which really were a nice, clean feel. White cabinets were done throughout, and then adding the black accented hardware really dolled up this room so much more. Now, the area I'd like to tell a lot of people to invest in is the primary bathroom. It's always primary bathroom and the kitchen. In this particular bathroom, we kept the countertops, painted all the cabinets white, changed out the light fixtures, again, to brighten this room up. We also did this incredible frameless shower, redid the tile, redid the flooring tile. The mirrors really open up the room. It just gives it a little bit more of a pop, and it also accents those light fixtures as well. And now how we've transformed this house, it's really able to get so much more value for not just the buyer, but also increase the profitability of the person trying to sell the property.